Difference between armored and unarmored fiber optic cable. Armored fiber optic cables have an extra layer of protection, usually made of steel or aluminum, while unarmored cables do not. Structure of armored cable optical fiber core carries light signals, the data transmission medium. Cladding reflects light back into the core to guide the signal. Buffer coating protects the fiber from mechanical damage and moisture. Key features of armored cable. Unarmored fiber optic cables are fiber optic cables that do not have an additional protective layer or armor around the cable core. Structure of unarmored cable. Surrounding the core is the cladding, which is also made of glass or plastic. The cladding has a lower refractive index than the core. Key features of unarmored fiber optic cable. An armored cable is protected from mechanical damage, as its name suggests, while an unarmored cable is not protected. Armored versus armored fiber optic cable. Here is the diagram of armored and unarmored fiber optic cable. Difference in technology, structure, color code, and application. Advantages of armored fiber optic cable. Enhanced protection. Durability. Rodent resistant. Suitable for burial. Advantages of unarmored fiber optic cable. Cost effective. Flexibility. Space saving. Versatile use. Disadvantages of armored and unarmored fiber optic cable. In armored cable, there are wire braid armor, single wire armor, steel tape armor. But in unarmored there is only normal unarmored fiber cable. Common applications of armored cable and unarmored fiber optic cable.